And we had a question on a phone call today that made me realize we need to share some information with you. Beep, beep. Where's the red light? Is that one on? Joe here at Rogue Fabrication. I've got a tech tip for you guys about Prototractors. You guys may have already seen these. They help you prototype your tube layouts using PVC pipe. And then of course they've got all the dimensions on them, and they can even help you measure rotation between bends. They're a pretty slick tool. We love using them. There's a way you can take larger diameter pipe than the Prototractor was designed for and basically oversize it. This would be useful if you're using a small radius like this one. This happens to be a 4.5-inch radius Prototractor. So that's the size of the radius of the bend. That has to match the die you're bending on. 4.5-inch radius is kind of a medium-sized radius. This is 1 5/16 OD because that's the OD of all 1-inch nominal pipe. We do make tube dies in this radius as large as 1 3/4 inch that can bend without a mandrel. That's a lot bigger than this size. So the nice thing to do would be to have bigger pipe. Rather than complicate your arsenal of tools and add cost to you guys and make you buy more of these, we want to show you how to make them simulate larger tubing. So we have mag rings, and you can change these and adjust them for various sizes of gap between the product and whatever you're building it with. So they work great for that. If you don't have them or don't want to use them or you just don't have enough of them, you don't have to worry. It's super easy. You can just cut a piece of PVC pipe in the next size, put a few wraps of tape on the smaller one, and then just slide this guy on there. And now you've got it sized for the next size up. Now we've got a 1.66 OD, which is 1 1/4 PVC pipe, schedule 40. And you can just slide a few of those rings on there, and now the gap between that and whatever you're trying to design your tube to fit, like a car or truck or handrail for a building or something, will be spaced off that far. You can then also, if you want to, use the next size up mag ring on that same piece, because that gives you the greatest flexibility, minimum investment, and the best possible outcome.